So today on the Fixit Shed, I want to take a look at my garage door opener. So a few years ago, I put up a video showing how my garage door would get stuck and come back down. And I made a video about how to make sure everything was lubricated and moving smoothly. Seemed to work okay for a while. It would still occasionally get hung up, but seemed to work pretty well overall. Eventually, it did stop moving altogether. The motor would move, but the door would not go up and down. So I wanted to take a look at it and see what the problem is. So if we remove the cover, all right, and if you look inside of here, you can see, there's some plastic dust. And if you look right here, you can see this gear is all chewed up. This is a main gear. It's probably made as a point of failure, so there should be a replacement piece for it. But I just went and I installed a latch and was just using the door manually. So you can see if I triggered the garage door opener, the motor runs, but the chain doesn't move. Yeah, and it eventually thinks that it failed. Somebody put these out for the garbage or scrap metal, and as you can see, this one also has a bad chewed up gear, so that one's not going to help me too much. It's got the same problem. This one here, half horsepower, and that looks like it has a good gear in it. But all right, so I was originally thinking that I would just swap these garage door opener heads and just put one in, take the other one out. Figured it would be real easy, but I think what I might end up doing is I'm going to remove the gear here. It actually looks like that comes out pretty easily. The one that I have installed, it's real close to the ceiling here, so I do need to lower it so that I can get the gear out. But I think I'm going to go ahead and swap them instead. So really, there's just a clip here, right? So I'm just going to remove this clip, bang, and take this gear off. Okay, and then there are 3 5/16 bolts that I can remove. So there's that one. Okay, there's that one. And the third one's a little bit harder to get to, so you have to get in here. All right, and now we can just pull the gear out. So yeah, that looks in pretty good shape. Okay, so while working on this, I am going to unplug it. Now it should be safe to work on. There's 3 screws up here to remove this gear, and we can remove this clip. Again. Come on, let go. There it goes. All right, and then I'm going to get those 3 screws out. Before I take that last bolt out, the sprocket on the top has the chain going around it, so I'm going to need to undo that. And in order to get the sprocket out, I'm going to have to drop this down because it's too close to the ceiling. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to undo the bolt on this side and the bolt on this side. I'm also going to take off the wiring because that's going to get caught up. And it's hinged at the front, so I'm going to let this down and put it rest it on a ladder. All right, so I am going to lower this, but when I do that, these wires are going to get caught up. So I want to disconnect these, but they're pretty easy. There's the the one wire, the thick wire for me is the opener, and that has a red wire and a white wire. And those connect to number 1, which is in a red square, and number 2, which is in a white square. So the thinner wire comes from the sensors, and that just, it's a 2-wire and it splits. The white wire, again, goes to the white number 2, and the red and white wire goes to number 3. So I'm going to disconnect those. All right. Sometimes a stubby screwdriver comes in handy. There we go. All right. There's number 3. Number 2. Number 1. All right, those are free. Now I just need to remove the 2 bolts on the side. There. Just gonna leave that in there so that it doesn't fall down when I take the other one out. All right, now I should be able to just hinge it down. Yep. Let it go. Thank you. All right, now we just need to remove this cap for the chain. And there's one more screw here to remove. All right, I'm just going to put a clamp here so that the slide doesn't move too much. And we're going to take the slack out of it here. And it's just a 1/2-inch wrench. Let's see, go this way, but I want to hold the chain so that it doesn't twist. So you just want to loosen this side. You don't want to loosen this side. So that way I can tighten it back up to exactly where it was. All right, now did that give me enough slack to get the chain off? Yes, it did. All right. Okay, now I can get the screw out. There we go. Okay. Get these wires out of the way. And now that gear is out. Alright, I just wiped off some of the old grease that was on here, and I'm going to put on some fresh grease. Okay. All right, so now you want to make sure that this is oriented properly, because you want to put the chain guard back on, and that needs to go that way. So let's see if we turn it like this. There are also a couple of alignment holes to help you line it up, make sure you get it the right way. All right, so then that should work like that. All right, now that's all in place. And put the chain back on. And there we go. Now it's on. All right, get this tightened up. All right, now I can get the cover back on. The chain guard's in place. And get this set up. Then I just put the nut and the lock washer back on. All right, and I do want to put this gear back in here, and whoops, goes the other way. But before I do, I also want to put a little bit of the white lithium grease on here as well. Let's see. All right, and this is going to go in. Now I gotta find a hole. Oh, there it goes. All right, so I need to get the red wire on number 1 from the button. The white wire from the button and the white wire from the sensor go on number 2. And the last wire from the sensor goes on number 3. All right, I need to reconnect the garage door opener. And it's latched. There we go. So the button's in the other room, and my remote doesn't work. Battery must have died in the couple of years since I've used it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to jump across the pins 1 and 2, simulating the button. I'm guessing maybe it needs to be adjusted since it bounced. It hit the bottom and then came back. So let's see. All right, let's see. See if we can adjust this one a little bit. Bring it a little bit closer. See if we can get it to stop before it hits the floor. Stop bouncing back up. That worked. So now we should be able to button this up. All right, so it's all back together. Now, the question is, what's going to keep this one from stripping out like the old one? The only thing that I've come up with is in the track here, where the curved piece and the straight piece meet up, there was a spot where the metal kind of was protruding in a little bit. I did take a hammer, tap that out. I really haven't been having any trouble with it getting stuck when I'm raising and lowering it manually, and I'm really hoping that that'll take care of it and the garage door opener won't have any more trouble. Alright, so if you got something out of this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to help this channel out, please consider subscribing or becoming a member by clicking the join button below.
Thanks for watching. Take care.